You're looking at a live screen from the drone. I have a gamepad controller connected to my laptop. Brian, am I clear to launch? I'm going to hit the launch button here. The drone is up in the air. I have positive control of the aircraft. Brian isn't actually flying the drone.
That person who launches at the officer in the field then is the visual observer and reduces the cognitive load of them being the pilot. This is truly a force multiplier to launch this technology, provide overwatch at many different types of call for service.
Anytime you're in an area with congested RF environments, the ideal way would be to operate over LTE. To enable that for agencies is really a game changer.
You have the ability to live stream this video to a mobile phone, a tablet, where anyone in the field can open that live stream link and view in real time feed directly coming from the drone.
We actually had the ability to assign alerts to different groups. If a certain group had a mission going on, they would all get emails.
You can see the map view of where the drone is located and also the field of view of what it's looking at. So if you're trying to guide ground assets into a specific location, you can guide them in based on where the drone is looking. A lot of user interface updates are coming to be able to help the remote pilot and to be able to execute the missions better and coordinate with ground units.
Most agencies have a use policy where the entire flight must be reported, and one of our key integrations is with evidence.com. So after the drone lands, that video evidence can sync through Skydio Cloud right into evidence.com, where body camera video or in-car camera video. What that does is really create a end-to-end chain of custody.
Brian, I'm going to hand control over back to you.
Yep, taking control.